hang a potato on a branch, and you won't believe your eyes. Nature has its own quiet way of surprising us, and sometimes the simplest things can create the biggest wonders in your garden. What I'm about to show you might look unusual, but trust me, it works like magic. Start with one fresh, firm potato. Not too big, not too small. Take a few cloves, the kind you might use in your kitchen, with that warm, spicy aroma. Carefully press each clove into the potato, spacing them out so they're not too close together. Make sure they're pushed in just deep enough to hold firmly. Next, take a strong piece of natural thread or garden twine. Wrap it securely around the potato, making sure it won't slip off. Now head out to your garden and choose a healthy branch. Somewhere it will get good airflow and steady light. Tie the potato so it hangs freely, swaying gently in the breeze. The potato slowly releases nutrients, enriching the surrounding soil and acting as a gentle organic fertilizer. The clove's natural oils help repel harmful pests, keeping your plants safe and healthy. Together, they create a simple, natural, and effective way to protect and nourish your garden. The potato also keeps the cloves moist, and their combined aroma creates an environment that's unwelcoming to pests, snakes, and even rats. If you like this idea, don't forget to share it with other garden lovers.